Hi everyone, and welcome to Royal Cyber's ServiceNow SCCM Integration Accelerator. Today, we're diving into a custom solution we developed for a client using ServiceNow Graph Connector for SCCM, and a touch of magic, aka, custom code. Our client was struggling with handling multiple data sources like SCCM, Discovery, and Intune. Managing different type of data such as device information, software installation, hardware information, etc. The standard ServiceNow SCCM connector wasn't enough. It couldn't fine-tune SQL. Process special character. Aggregate data. We understood that a generic solution wouldn't fit. We created a specialized and configurable solution by combining the Service Graph Connector with custom code. We used the functionality of the Service Graph Connector to establish the initial integration and fetch core data. Then we applied custom code to populate data fields per client's requirements. Create separate data sources for input data. And segregate workstations and servers. Benefits of Royal Cyber's Integration Accelerator. Flexibility. Our solution is personalized to precisely match your business needs. Collaboration. Deep understanding of your challenges ensures meaningful outcomes. Innovation. Our innovative approach expands possibilities beyond expectations. Are you interested in integrating SCCM and ServiceNow? We can help. Contact Royal Cyber today to discuss your specific needs.